Abhilasha and you are welcome in my channel. In this class, I am going to tell you about, I am not only teaching you but also drinking a glass of water. Yes friends, here I have used the word not only but also. It is correlative conjunction and today we are going to learn correlative conjunction. What do I mean if I am telling you conjunction? It is nothing but a word which connect two sentences together, which connect two phrases together. It is called conjunction. For an example, you and me, Ram and Sham, so here and is conjunction, because is conjunction, but is conjunction. So in this class I am going to tell you correlative conjunction. Mostly there are three types of conjunction in English grammar: correlative conjunction, coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. So here we use the correlative conjunction, always we use it in a pair, like not only but also, neither nor, either or, both and, so that, no sooner than, hardly had, when, as soon as. First example I have, she not only eats an apple but also cooks food. She is third person singular number. We use as or es with verb. She not only eats an apple but also cook food. Here the subject is the same person is doing the two works, different types of work at the same time. And here we have to keep remember, if we are using these correlative conjunction before noun, so second will be used before noun. Here we use not only before eats, this is verb, and cooks is also verb. So we have to use both the conjunction, correlative conjunction, in the same way. Here I am using not only before eats. Eats is a verb. So here cooks is a verb. We use but also. So sentence comes, she not only eats an apple but also cooks food. Let's move on others. Neither nor. He is neither a student nor a player. He is neither a student. He is not studying. He is not a student nor a player. He doesn't play any game. He is not a player. So instead of saying two times different sentence, we can use neither nor. He is neither a student nor a player. And the most important thing, we use neither nor to make negative sentence only. Let's move on others. Either or. We use either or to make affirmative sentences. Suresh, again third person singular number. Suresh plays, we add s, either cricket or chess. I don't know about Suresh, but yes, I am confirmed he plays either cricket or chess. I am not sure, but yes, it is confirmed he plays either cricket or chess. He is interested whether cricket or chess, but I am not confirmed. I did not meet with him for a long time, so I don't remember. I am not sure right now what types of game he plays, but yes, I am confused between cricket or chess. So here it is option. He plays either cricket or chess. Let's move on others. The fourth one is both and. both. For two things we use the word both, Ram and Shyam. Here different types of subject. We have both Ram and Shyam will go to Delhi, and Delhi is the common place for both the person. So here we use both. They will go in future. Ram and Shyam will go to Delhi. Let's move on others. So that he is so weak that he cannot walk. Friends, this he, third person singular number we use is he is so weak. He is not feeling well and he is ill. He is feeling weakness. He is so weak. He is so weak that he cannot walk. He cannot walk. It is result and it is the reason. He is so weak that he cannot walk. No sooner does she arrive than she begins to clean. No sooner does she, when the sentence starts with no sooner, we use do, does, did here. After no sooner does she arrives, third person singular number we add as no sooner does she arrives than she begins to clean. Instead of making two different sentences, she arrives at home, she begin to clean. So stop making two different types of sentence. We can use correlative conjunction here. No sooner does she arrives than she begins to work, begins to clean. Let's see the next one. Hardly had she reached when the train arrived. She reached at the station when the train arrived. Hardly had. When we start the words, when we use hardly had, we always use the third form of the verb. It is called the third past participle form of the verb. Hardly had she reached when the train arrived. The last one is as soon as. Here, example is as soon as she reached here, he went to market. This lady came to meet with him, but unfortunately, as soon as she reached here, he went to market. She was not able to meet with him because he went to market. As soon as she reached here, he went to market. So friends, this was the lesson. This was the session of correlative conjunction. I hope you enjoy my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. If you have any query, please write me on comment box. I will come soon with the next lesson. Till then, take care.